Okay, well, it's my weekend off. Travis, move. And what started out as an idea to Travis State Inn, camp out on the trampoline, turned into this big, huge camping trip to camp in our pond, or not in our pond, near our pond. It looked kind of bleak today, threatening storms and whatnot, so we were worried. We had a backup plan, and that was to watch Prince Caspian instead, but it has cleared up, and God has listened to the desires of my heart. And we have clear blue skies. You won't even be able to tell it's raining. So let's take a walk down to the pond. Got my bucket of tea. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. There's the trampoline we were supposed to be camping on. Now we're heading to the backyard and beyond. I gotta say, this is like the coolest thing ever. Idea I've ever had. There's the tent. Now we've named our campsite Camp H1N1 after the swine flu. But my dyslexia got to the best of me, and it's actually Camp N1H1. So, I guess we got the point. But today I built this little fire pit, and that was pretty sweet. So now we're cooking hot dogs. Excuse me, we're gonna be roasting marshmallows later, and we're actually gonna be watching the Prince of Caspian in our tent. Hey, hey! My tea, my cup of tea. I decided I gotta make it redneck too. Drink a bucket of tea. Here's our camp sign. Here's our tent. Here's our fire. Oop, all on my face. There's a dog. Diesel. Eat the corn. Hey, puppy. There's our pond.
Eating the corn that can't get any more burnt.
Here we go, just having a good time.
Auto cooker.
Nice, nice. I think I'm gonna have another hot dog.
What you doing, Ruth?
Eating some dinner.
What you got in that bucket?
Sweet tea.
Sweet tea? What kind of sweet tea?
Chocolate mint.
Chocolate mint. Who made you that hot dog?
Me.
Where'd you make it?
In the farm.
It's a nice fire you got. Who's that lady in the wading boots?
Our neighbor.
What's her name?
Darcy.
Hi, Darcy. Wave at the fans.
It's good stuff.
Oh, yeah. Did you know you were going to be a redneck when you grew up?
No, but I love it.
I do too.
I need like tobacco to spit.
Ooh, yeah. We can go get some from Maddie.
Nah, I'm not.
Everybody say hi to the fans. I'm sorry? What's going on over there? Darcy, were you expecting a flood?
You know, when we started this adventure, believe it or not, there was a thunderstorm and it was raining.
But what happened?
Did we start the fire in the rain, Ruth?
Heck yeah.
But look at that beautiful blue sky now.
Gasoline started the fire. Yeah! Yeah!
I think yours was sniffing out that hot dog. It's too close to the fire. You want to hear.
You burned it last night.
Not the one that you're looking at.
I don't know if I have the patience
What you doing now, Ruth?
Get ready for bed. Whoa! Oh, my ankle.
Well, good thing you.
Oh God!
Good thing you got a wheelchair.
Oh, snap. There you go. Oh, okay. Okay, so now it's about 10 o'clock at night and we are all situated in our tent and we are about to get settled and watch. That's not African.
Whatever, Australian.
It's like English, British, not African. I can see the moon from where I'm laying. Anyway, we're about to watch the Chronicles of Narnia. Prince Caspian. Anyway, so check out our setup. Okay, Mike's getting his bed all situated.
Actually, I jumped a beef jerky.
Okay, that was not English.
I accidentally dumped the beef
Oh, okay.
jerky. Look, we got maximum jerky.
Lots of beef jerky, which means we're gonna have some interesting dreams tonight. There's our TV with a DVD player and our lamp. And
How do you guys like the show?
outside there's a campfire burning by the pond. Let's see if you can see
More jerky.
There's the moon. Hopefully it won't rain tonight. We don't have a terrible rust, but
Right. Ruth,
what?
the rain dance worked.
Oh my gosh, you're right. We totally did a rain dance on the trampoline earlier. And they're like, we look stupid. We're not going to really, this ain't going to work. But it totally worked because it looked like it was going to like storm.
I know,
And it was downpouring when we were getting the fire started. I was like soaking wet. But the rain dance totally worked. Good call.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to go. We're going to go watch the movie. Ah! We're going to go watch the movie now. Okay. It's morning now.
Yeah.
Mike, how did you sleep?
Good, I woke up 5 times.
You counted?
No, I think I woke up 5 times.
I woke up quite a few times too. My back is killing me. I have to pee.
Sucks to be a girl right now.
Shut up. I know, I'm sorry, you're a girl.
Shut up.
Well, did you sleep good?
What?
Did you sleep good?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I slept okay. I want to take a nap this afternoon. Stop. Stop it. Okay, I'm gonna get up. I'm ready for breakfast.
Breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
What is breakfast?
Breakfast?
Do I have bedhead?
No. No, you don't.
Darn it. I was hoping for a big bedhead.
We do have bedhead.
I know. You're like
Why?
sweaty or something.
It's called dew.
You dude on yourself.
Shut up. You retard. Ow! Oh,
Trying to make your back feel better.
that did not help.
Gosh, Ruth, you smell too.
Do I really?
Yeah?
I haven't showered in a couple days.
Yeah, now everybody says that.
clothes, huh?
Why can't I see you?
Probably because the lens cap is closed.
Durr. Hang
Hey,
on.
let me back up.
You can only do